condition. First is physical exercise to exhaustion. Jadi latihan yang dilakukan sampai dia standarnya mengalami kelelahan. Sedangkan yang lain, there is submaximum physical exercise. Jadi no exhaustion. Jadi berhenti sebelum mencapai kelelahan. Two condition we compare for two group and we see the value of the result, and we can find a regularly physical exercise will increase heart capability to pump more blood, and in order to increase the efficiency.
Excuse me, doctor,
Yeah.
2 more minutes.
Efficiency of heart capability, it is necessary to observe heart pulse to left ventricle. Next slide. Saya akan percepat. Physical exercise, we compare about the condition in normobaric normoxic and hyperbaric hyperoxic. We can see in normobaric normoxic, everything is increased and vasoconstriction, but in hyperbaric hyperoxic, oxygen needs increase, oxygen capacity increase, and reduction of pulmonary ventilation. So blood pulse in physical exercise with submaximum load in hyperbaric hyperoxic environment relative lower than normobaric normoxic environment. That's my research. This is a condition. Next slide. About my undermarks about how to adaptive about capability of naval force. If there can stressor and strain, and there is a change of environment, make a change of cardiovascular, respiratory, hemodynamic change, and everything. So SBUT effect in cardiovascular system make a vasoconstriction, bradycardy, stroke volume decrease, and decrease in cardiac output. Next slide. This just only describe about differences about health fitness and athletic fitness. And Army between in health fitness and athletic fitness. Next slide. This is the condition about the cardiac respiratory fitness, FO2 max, and physiology. Next slide. In normobaric normoxic environment, there is the decreased pulse and heart pulse within the maximum exercise with the situation 97% oxygen will distribute and 3% distributed by blood plasma. Meanwhile, in hyperbaric hyperoxic, diffuse oxygen will be increased based Henry laws of physics. Next slide. Result on SBOT effect for blood pulse and heart pulse and FO2. You can see from Webster and August. Next slide. And this from abroad, from the other country, but in Indonesia we make 3 research. One of research is for me with sample 20 men, procedure 102 ATA, and the value treadmill is hyperbaric hyperoxic condition results cardiac output physical exercise with submaximal load in a hyperoxic environment is relatively lower than in normobaric, normoxic environment. Next slide. And for finish, for a literature review, I make the book about how to understand about hyperbaric therapy, 22-23. The influence of the rate of increase in oxygen solubility is issue influenced by the increase in pressure on intracellular oxygen which can increase by physical capacity of human. Maksudnya adalah dengan adanya pengaruh kecepatan dengan kondisi hiperbarik ini, maka kelarutan itu akan semakin cepat masuk ke dalam jaringan, sehingga potensi kemampuan fisik daripada prajurit-prajurit kita apabila melakukan latihan fisik di dalam lingkungan kondisi hiperoksik hiperbarik dan normobarik hiperoksik itu menjadi lebih baik dan meningkat. Dan tulisan ini diterbitkan oleh toko buku Gramedia yang merupakan literatur review. Jadi ada beberapa penelitian, termasuk penelitian yang tadi 3 dimasukkan di buku ini. This is my presentation, and I'm sorry if not too many make certification for your audience. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.